Well, say it ain't so. It's been a long time coming for Zoe in the background tripping, but it's been a long time, gang. And it's her time now. We on her now. I have been neglecting everything. Zoe, cut it out. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, girl? What you mean, Zoe? He in your spot? Girl, cut it out. We trying to do this vlog, baby. It's real life shit behind me, but the real life shit in front of me too. Look, the turbo kit coming out. First thing first, turbo kit coming out. But we got to get into the trunk. I want to put power back to the car and make sure everything is good. I haven't really done much to it since Tina kind of destroyed it. I did take the turbo pipes off and got all of the washing powders and stuff out of there. And it was bad, y'all. Yeah, it was bad. My turbos is basically seized up. That's not good. Like, can't spin. At first, they was spinning. So, we most definitely got to take those off. And, well, this one's spinning, but the other one not spinning. We can't have that. That's no good. Them bearings seized up. She put a lot of washing powder in this side. But long story short, gang, we're finna get power to it, and we're finna get back in action, man. We for sure taking the turbo kit off. We're going back naturally aspirated, just because I want to drive my car. I miss driving the car. We got to get our windows and everything. But first thing first is gonna get the motor right. Hell, we might spray a whole different color. I'm gonna do all the body work myself. Sand her down, get her right. Right now, she just collecting dust, spider webs, just neglected back here. Baby, neglected, bro. And I'd be damned if I put another dollar into another project before I get on, baby. I got a lot of work to do. Yeah, man, all this shit. It's crazy. I remember this happened as soon as I got the car painted. Y'all know I had got it painted not too long ago. But we finna redo everything, gang. Malibu next. Malibu, really, I was working on the seats on here. I know y'all probably waiting on the update. I was working on the seats. I got the seats in there, but they not mounted yet. So I'm finna pull the carpet, weld up the mounting place forward, and then the seats going down. The back seats is really good. The back seats damn near snapped already in. I got them locked in nice. But shit, we just gotta get the seat belts routed to the bottom. We put new carpet in here. And we gotta finish up a little small shit like this. Getting all this shit blacked all out. Cause mostly everything blacked all out. Except that little front patch up there. You know what I'm saying? Down the line, we're gonna get some real upholstery work done, like the door panels and shit like that. And we're gonna do the roof our damn self. But yeah, that's what's up with the Malibu. She running this shit good. Hot battery, she started up running dry. But we gotta get into the trunk of the GTO, cause we need to put power to the car. The car ain't had power to it in a long time. And unfortunately, the battery is in the trunk, so it's all dead. And the only way we can do that by going up yonder ways. I got this battery rigged up right here. I need to move some of this stuff out the way real quick, so give me a sec. Man, look, I just hooked up this GTO gang, and that bitch started making some noises I ain't heard in a long time. I want y'all to hear this shit with me. I remember them sounds. Remember that? Listen. She talking. She talking. I don't know what she talking about, but ABS traction control off. Hey man, I miss this goddamn car, man. I need to show her some love. This shit need upgrades. I need new radio, new transmission shifter, new seats. Fuck, I got Corey flamethrower in this bitch, some amps and shit. All this shit gotta come up out of here. We gotta clean her up. My roof is falling. This bitch done became to be a project. Here go my damn turbo clamps. I got the old starter. So the starter not even on here, y'all. I was trying to get it tested to see if the starter was any good, but that starter ain't doing shit. Yeah, you get nothing when you turn it over, but you know you gotta have your foot on the clutch. But the thing is, I was trying to get into the trunk. Let me see. Okay, trunk popped up. Damn, I got a bunch of shit in here. Never mind the name on these, but you feel me? I had these made down there 3 years ago for a whole nother Pontiac I had. They light up and everything. I'll put them down to the side. Gotta get all this stuff. Okay, these are all the parts for the GTO. Now this part here is actually for the Malibu. I'm glad y'all doing this shit with me. Them go to the sides of them Cadillac seats. That's gonna make all that shit nice and neat. Here go my windshield wipers for the GTO. All this shit here. I need to buy new wipers, but I'm pretty sure that's just that part, not the whole rack. I'll just sit them in the car. I don't want nothing to happen to them. Front grills and shit for the GTO. Set this shit to the side. Tail lights for the GTO. Don't need it, but we got it.
All this shit gotta come up out of here. Guessing it's all the trimming for the window, for the front windshield. I hate all this shit. See, when I had moved out the shop, I just was putting shit everywhere. And I haven't really just came here and worked. And you know what, guys? I was looking for my goddamn impacts this whole time. Did not know my impacts was in here. My grinders and all that shit. Been in here the whole time, but shit, I ain't really been looking on cars and things. My little drill. All this shit dead as hell. Yeah. Y'all straight over there? Alright, we finna get up out of here in a minute. But yeah, this is the first step, y'all, to revitalizing the GTO. I was gonna start on the Malibu. I had a guy hit me up, he wanted to buy the Malibu. But then I was like, nah, I ain't gonna sell her. This the only car. These are the only two cars that I'm not gonna sell, y'all. I'm gonna keep these cars. I wanna actually put a car together. It makes no sense for me to go buy me a box Chevy. And I got this whole baby box in here. I still was contemplating on the motor swap and all that, but this motor runs so good that I'm actually cool with it. I wanna just work on everything else. Although I did get this car painted too, but as y'all can see, Orderlay hit me with the wham bam boozy. You know what I'm saying? So we got paint chips going everywhere. I'm talking about, and it's that raw vlog shit y'all boys been needing. It's waste gates. I remember when I was doing some turbo shit with the GTO, I was having some problems with my waste gates, some didn't boost, but all that's gonna be not a factor no more. Man, that shit that just brought back so many memories. Give me a thumbnail real quick.
I'm glad we're on this topic too, because you know when I bought this car, this was like the first fast car I've ever bought. I wasn't even into like cars and shit like that. I was into trucks. I had like Chevy trucks and shit. I was always a truck nigga, but I always was a Chevy truck nigga. You know what I'm saying? Oh wait, I did buy some badass injectors. So it's some badass injectors on the GTO right now to support the turbos. I want to say these are stock. No, these is the stock GTO injectors. I don't know what these other injectors. I think I bought these for one of them other bills, but these are new. I don't know how the box just ended up in shit in the back. But yeah, here go the GTO injector.
The LS1 style. I got the little clips. So y'all gotta go through all this. This is irrelevant. I just need to get to the battery side. There ain't even no battery in here. Got my battery cables here. I want to take these nipples off and make sure that shit ain't corroded, because I see in the front I got some corrosion. Oh, it ain't bad. Actually, it look decent. Yeah, that ain't bad. But in the front, I guess since it was out in the weather. Yeah. I guess since it was out in the weather, it got a little corroded. You feel me? So since that's, I got power to the front, I can ground this joint at, where's my power wire? Okay. See, do we got juice in here? See if we leaked out all the coolant, because I had coolant in here. Oh yeah, it's still coolant in there. It's low though, but that's the return on the top. So I got the inlet at the bottom and the return at the top. Now this some ghetto shit, y'all. I put this car together in the garage at the other house, if y'all don't remember. It's before the shops, before, you know what I'm saying, shit was crazy. I started my channel off with this car. I was not no professional. I've been watching a lot of YouTube. Like, it's professional ways to do shit, and this is just how I did it, man. It is what it is. You feel me? It's the ghetto. Like, niggas was laughing at me about this shit. This shit ghetto. Hell yeah, it's ghetto. It's the right way and the wrong way. But shit, at that time, I just did what I did. You feel me? All this shit ghetto, no hood. I got down. I love this car. I'm gonna put my goddamn time back into it. We're gonna get it right. First thing first, we need a starter. Last thing I did was relocate the car packs. I need to bolt them hoes down because I did some ghetto shit right there too. That computer, I need to relocate that. That's ghetto. But shit, all that shit going back original. All that. So what's next? What's next? We got the power, we got the boot, we got the wham, we got the woo woo. I kind of want to try to start it one more time with the turbo. Spray some oil in the goddamn turbo and start up like that one time before I just take her down. But unfortunately, we gotta take her down. Y'all ready to go to the stove? Ready to go to the stove? Yeah, I'll take it to the stove. It's a cool morning, but the sun's starting to beam a little bit. You don't want no Takis. I might get you some Takis. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Alright, man. Comment down below, man. What should we start? We starting on it, though, today. So, y'all might not get all that footage, because I'm finna really work. But y'all heard me talk about it. So, it's up, and it's stuck.
Purchase your tracks today.
So it might be a little loud because of the damn fan, but y'all see I took all this junk off. I'm really not going back. I'm really leaning on not going back with the turbos, but my motor was a little locked. I put a little bar on the front of the motor and it was hard to spin. I thought it was my starter, so I went and bought a brand new starter. It hit me for 300 bucks. And long story short, I think my other starter was good, but I got a new starter anyway, so lifetime warranty on that. Pulled the exhaust off and so much junk fell up out of the pistons, bro. Look at all that right there. So, we got all that. I just spun the motor over by the flywheel. I dropped the flywheel, so now I'm about to set y'all up so y'all can see what's gonna come up out of this motor. And I wanna see what's gonna come out of it too. So I don't know if it's a good spot.
Purchase your tracks today.
Look nasty. Yeah, so pretty sure y'all seen all that doo-doo come out. Oh man.
Man. Absolutely no fuel. Absolutely no fuel came out.
I don't know if this thing gonna start, but we damn sure gonna give it a try. And if it do start, this will be the first start up in down there 2-3 years. We got a mess. I tried to make this thing work one last time before goddamn I did what I just did, but ultimately, we all knew what I was supposed to do. I was supposed to bust this thing down. Hold on, Zoe, we finna go. So ultimately, I still had a lot of gunk and crud in there. You can see all that splat, that spray. I unfreed the motor. It was locked up just from over time, but just took a little screwdriver to the flywheel and slowly but surely loosened it up. I dropped oil in the cylinders, of course, but yeah, this is where we at. We finna pull this thing out. We finna go ahead and bust it back down, get back down to them pistons, man, and see what we got goddamn, cause Right now, she didn't want to do nothing for us. We got fuel pressure and everything, but she didn't want to do nothing. So we gotta goddamn do what we gotta do. And so stay tuned. Next video, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be back tomorrow. I want to be, but goddamn, Mr. Punch him down trying to go get him a car. So we got shit to do.
Well, I can't think about it. Might as well think about it.
Look at all this, y'all. So I might end up putting, I'm gonna end up putting some new heads on here. Cause I got them. We're gonna go from there. Till then, it's up and it's stuck. Yiggity, yiggity, out.